Hey there, and welcome to your grammar video for Unit 3, Orange Listening. In this lesson, we'll talk about adverbs of frequency in the simple present tense. Let's begin. So today we'll talk about adverbs of frequency in the simple present tense. We'll talk about how to form both positive and negative statements, as well as how to ask and answer questions using adverbs of frequency. In order to understand this lesson, you'll need to remember the simple present tense rules. It's okay if you don't. Take a minute to pause the video, review the videos from last week, or Google English Grammar Simple Present. So what is an adverb of frequency? You'll remember from last week that we used the simple present tense to talk about things we usually do or things that are routine. Adverbs of frequency help us to give more information about how often we do these things or how many days a week we do something. This unit will talk about adverbs of frequency: always, usually, often, sometimes, and never. In the simple present tense, always tells someone that we do this activity, this thing, 100% of the time. Usually means we do something 90% of the time, and often 70% of the time. So we do it a lot, but not very often. Sometimes something that we do 30% of the time. So every once in a while. And never, 0% of the time, we never do this. It doesn't happen. We don't do those things. Looking at the schedule, you can see from the top, I brush my teeth every day. Therefore, I always brush my teeth. Looking at study English, I don't study English on Friday. Therefore, I usually study English 90% of the time. Eat kabsa? Well, kabsa is delicious, but I don't eat it every day. However, I often eat kabsa. Reading a book? Well, in the PYD, I don't have a whole lot of time, so I only can read books every once in a while. So I sometimes read a book. And bananas? Yeah, I don't like bananas. I never eat bananas. As you can see from our example sentences, we start with the subject, followed by the adverb of frequency, and then the verb. So looking at the top, again, you can see our example sentences. Starting with a subject, adverbs of frequency in red, and then the verbs in blue. Looking at the second half, I am always happy on Fridays. I am usually tired in the morning. He is often hungry in the afternoon. We are sometimes lazy on the weekends. She is never angry in English class. As we've mentioned before, the adverb of frequency comes before the verb. However, in these sentences, it seems to be different. Pause the video, think about the rule. When you know the rule, press play, and let's talk about it. The rule is, again, for most verbs, the adverb of frequency comes before it. For example, I always brush my teeth. However, when we use the be verb, the adverb of frequency comes after the be verb. For example, I am always happy on Fridays. Again, you can see our example sentences with the structure, subject, then adverb of frequency, followed by the verb. However, when we have the be verb, we must remember the adverb of frequency comes after the be verb. Now, let's talk about how to ask and answer questions using adverbs of frequency in the simple present. For yes or no questions and WH questions, the adverb of frequency comes before the main verb. You'll also remember from our previous video on the simple present that in order to ask and answer questions, you need to use the helping verbs do or does. As a reminder, do connects with I, you, we, and they, where does connects with he, she, and it. Now, to form a question about frequency using adverbs of frequency, the structure would follow: do, does, then subject, the adverb of frequency followed by the main verb. For example, do you often play football? To answer this question, you simply state yes or no, followed by the subject, then do, does, don't, or doesn't. For WH questions, you start with the WH question word, followed by the helping verb do or does, then the subject, an adverb of frequency, and then the main verb. For example, where do you usually play football? Now, because we have some specific information we must include in our answer, we know that where is asking about location. So we should include an adverb of frequency and also the location. To answer this question, I usually play football at KFU. To ask about frequency, we can often use the word ever. For example, do you ever play football? In this question, the speaker wants to know, does this happen in your life? To answer this question, you simply state, yes, I do, or no, I don't. We can also ask, is she ever late? To answer this question, again, we can say, yes, she is, or no, she isn't. For yes or no questions that start with the be verb, we must put the adverb of frequency after the subject. For example, is she usually late? Or are you always happy? To answer these questions, again, we can use our simple or short answer, yes, I am, no, I'm not. We use adverbs of frequency to describe how often we do things. To ask how often somebody does something, we usually start the question with how often. This asks someone the frequency or how many times they do this activity. For example, how often do you study English? I sometimes study English. In this example, I want to know how many days do you study English? How often do Mohammed and Hassan read books? They never read books. Take a moment, pause the video, and read through the rest of the examples. Also, practice asking and answering questions using how often. Please note that you need the helping verb to ask and answer questions about how often. Remember, the answer to these questions will always have an adverb of frequency. The adverb of frequency for these questions is always often. We never say how sometimes or how always. Take a moment, practice your questions. In negative sentences with adverbs of frequency, there are 3 important rules to remember. First rule, use don't or doesn't before the adverb of frequency. For example, I don't always study on the weekends, or she doesn't usually come to class late. In the last example, we don't often see movies. Again, don't or doesn't tells me that this action does not happen. We know to choose don't or doesn't based on the subject of the sentence. Also, if the main verb is a be verb, we use the negative form of the be verb instead of don't or doesn't, like I am not, or aren't, or isn't. For example, I'm not often hungry in the afternoon, or she isn't usually angry in English class. They aren't always on time to class. Rule number 2, in negative sentences, we must change never to ever. For example, I don't ever go to Dubai. This means I don't go to Dubai. It never happens. A bad sentence would say, I don't never go to Dubai. Another example, I am not ever late. And again, don't use sometimes in a negative statement. For example, don't say, I don't sometimes go to Dubai. We must use ever. So a good sentence, I don't ever go to Dubai. Finally, rule number 3. Negative sentences follow the same placement rules as positive statements. You'll remember the adverb of frequency goes before most verbs. For example, He doesn't often brush his teeth. However, if we have the be verb, the adverb of frequency must go after the be verb. For example, she isn't always on time to class. Let's take a practice quiz. As always, pause the video, select your answer for each question, then hit the play button and we'll talk about your answers. Welcome back. Let's talk about your answers. Question 1. When do you use the adverb of frequency ever? We use the adverb of frequency ever when we need to change never to ever in yes or no questions and negative sentences. Question 2. How blank does she play computer? She always plays the computer. Here, we know she always plays the computer, so we're asking about the frequency that she does it. Therefore, D, how often, is our answer. Question 3. My father blank angry with me because I am late every day. Sorry, Dad. If I'm late every day, my father will always be angry. Because my father is singular, we need to use is. So A is the correct answer. Question 4. He blank collect things because he doesn't want to have a lot of possessions in his house. Again, if I don't want a lot of possessions, that means I don't collect things. I need to use the negative. Our subject is he, so we use doesn't. We know for the negative we cannot use never, so we must use ever, and B is the correct answer. Question 5. I blank when people give me gifts. It is very kind of them to think of me. I blank. We know in statements we must have the adverb of frequency followed by the verb. If someone gives me gifts, of course I appreciate them 100% of the time. So D is the correct answer. Question 6. They blank sad on Saturday nights because the weekend is over. Again, here, when the weekend ends, of course I will be sad 100% of the time. We're describing someone's emotion, sad, so we need to use the be verb. Because we have the plural subject they, we need are. We must remember, when we use the be verb, the adverb of frequency comes after are. So B is the correct answer. Question 7. Cold pizza for breakfast, blank, delicious. Again, pizza is always delicious, even if it's cold. Because we're talking about pizza for breakfast, or it, we need to use is. And so A is the correct answer. That's it for this lesson. I hope it was useful. Class dismissed.